This mini square bag is versatile. Use it as an earphone pouch, coin purse, or even a bag charm. The crochet pattern is beginner-friendly, using hollow cotton thread and simple stitches. Let's dive into the process. Materials needed: hollow cotton thread, choose your preferred color, crochet hook, appropriate size for your thread, stitch marker, leather strap for finishing, button for attaching to the bag, scissors. Step 1. Starting the crochet, creating the first round. 1. Form the initial ring. Hold the thread in your left hand and start with a loop. Insert the crochet hook into the loop and pull the thread through. Wrap the thread around the hook and pull it through the loop on the hook. This forms a chain stitch, also known as a slip knot. 2. Crochet the chain stitches. Crochet 2 more chain stitches to form a total of 3 chain stitches. These will act as the turning chain and the first double crochet. Mark the 3rd chain stitch with a stitch marker. Step 2. Making the first round, double crochet stitches. 3. Crochet the double crochet. Yarn over, insert the crochet hook into the marked chain stitch and pull the thread through. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, pull through the first 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over once more and pull through the remaining 2 loops. This completes 1 double crochet stitch. 4. Repeat double crochet. Crochet another double crochet stitch into the same space as the first double crochet. After 3 double crochets, crochet 2 chain stitches. 5. Continue with double crochets. Continue crocheting 3 double crochets, followed by 2 chain stitches, repeating this 4 times to complete the round. 6. Close the round. After completing the 4 sets of 3 double crochets and 2 chain stitches, slip stitch into the marked chain stitch. This will join the round together. Crochet 1 chain stitch to secure and fasten off. Tighten the loop to close it. 7. Hide the thread tail. Hide any loose thread tails inside the fabric by weaving them in. Step 3, starting the second round. 8. Prepare for the second round. Lead the thread tail to the hole on the left side of your work. Pull up a loop from the outer strand of the second chain stitch from the previous round and repeat for the third and fourth stitches. 9. Create the first corner. In the same hole, crochet 3 chain stitches and mark the third one with a stitch marker. Then, crochet 2 double crochets, 2 chain stitches, and 3 more double crochets in the same hole. This creates one corner of the bag. 10. Repeat for other corners. For the remaining 3 corners of the square, repeat the same process. Crochet 3 double crochets, 2 chain stitches, and 3 double crochets in each corner. 11. Close the second round. After completing all 4 corners, slip stitch into the marked chain stitch. Crochet 1 chain stitch and fasten off. Complete the flower motif. This completes one flower-shaped motif. Repeat this process to crochet 6 such motifs. Step 4. Arranging and joining the motifs. 13. Arrange the motifs. Once you've crocheted 6 motifs, arrange them in the desired pattern, placing them next to each other as shown in the image or as you prefer. 14. Prepare the joining thread. Take the green thread and make a slip knot to start the joining process. 15. Join the motifs using slip stitch. Begin joining the center motif with one side motif. Insert the crochet hook through the first chain stitch of both motifs and pull the thread through. Repeat this process for the second chain stitch. 16. Continue joining. Continue slip stitching for each corresponding chain stitch of both motifs. After completing the first chain stitch, move to the second chain stitch to join the next edge. 17. Secure the join. Once the first chain stitch is slip stitched, crochet 1 chain stitch to secure and fasten off. 18. Join other side, make a slip knot and insert the hook under the slip stitch of the middle chain stitch. Pull through the loop and begin joining from the second chain stitch for the remaining 2 edges. 19. Complete the final motif join. For the last side, continue slip stitching without fastening off. Join all remaining motifs until the whole bag is attached. Step 5. Finishing the bag. Crochet around the bag's edges. After joining all the motifs, crochet a slip stitch around the edges of the bag, ensuring a clean finish. Pull the thread through after the last chain stitch. 21. Crochet around the flap. Crochet around the flap area of the bag, picking 1 strand of each stitch, and fasten off when you reach the end. Pull the thread tail through to secure it. 22. Hide all the thread tails. Using a yarn needle or your hook, weave in all loose thread tails inside the fabric of the bag. Step 6. Attaching the strap. 23. Attach the leather strap. Take the leather strap and attach it to the bag by securing a button onto the body of the bag. Tie a knot with the leather strap to finish attaching it securely to the bag. Conclusion. You've now completed your beautiful mini square bag. Whether it's an earphone pouch, coin purse, or bag charm, it's a versatile handmade accessory. Enjoy using it, and happy crocheting. This detailed tutorial will guide you through the entire process of making the mini square bag. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any step, feel free to ask.